Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little bit of a picture-in-picture thing with sharing multiple contents. So first thing I'm going to do is show you what your students would see if they're looking at one of your Panopto videos, and then I'll show you how the screen sharing will look as the instructor. So right now I've got a Panopto open, and this is a new recording that I will be doing. So for the video, if you do want your students to be able to see you, you want to have whatever webcam you have set up, then the audio needs to be the audio dedicated to that. And then what I am doing is capturing my main screen so my students can then see the presentation that I'm going to be playing. So then I would click record and everything would move forward. So I've already done that. I have this presentation right here where this is just going through a certain concept here. So we'll look at this throughout this class, but we'll be talking about that because we'll be going over the whole genre of literacy narrative here just in the next couple of weeks. So you notice that my screen is right here, and this is the presentation that I'm working on, and also here is my face. And these can be switched to highlight either one as the more important item. They can also go to full screen, so if that's necessary for your students to see. And then you can go back to the other presentation as full screen, and you can play that as well. So let's first talk about what a narrative is not. So a narrative, at least in this term, so that is basically how you would share a specific piece of content in your class. Now, I'm sorry if the audio does not quite sync up because the Zoom audio and playing audio through it doesn't always work. There's not always syncing that is done there, but here's the other thing to do. So the other way to do this is to just using Zoom to record yourself, but you can also share other screens like that. So I'm going to share a whiteboard. So sharing the whiteboard, it will put my face up in the top corner, but then I can also share the whiteboard information. I can type on here. I can draw on here with a pen tool. I can use stamps to point out specific information. I can erase things if necessary. I can highlight items by showing this is exactly what I want you to pay attention to. You click and drag, it'll change the mouse a little bit to show where items need to be highlighted. And this is done easily through Zoom by sharing, or it could be done through Panopto in creating a specific presentation. So thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out to the DEC with any questions. We are available at dec@longwood.edu or 395-4332. Thank you.